Well, good morning everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy and I have started early this morning because I wanted to make banana nut muffins. Now these are a banana oat muffin. They're so delicious and that's what I'm having for breakfast. What's better than a banana muffin and a cup of coffee? These muffins are so moist. They've got a delicious crumb topping. Oh, they're yummy. So would you like to know how to make these delicious muffins? Well, I'm going to show you because you know what time it is. It's time to get cooking, or I should say baking. All my ingredients are here on my counter to make these delicious banana oat muffins. I'm just going to go over those with you as I make it, but the full recipe will be in the description box below. All right, so I've got 3 very ripe bananas on the verge of going bad. That's one of the reasons why I'm making banana nut muffins today, or banana oat muffins. All right, then I'm going to mash them up. Maybe I'll just do this first. That's better. Then I'm going to add my egg, 1 egg, and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. All right, next, 1/4 of a cup of oil. Almost couldn't get that out. 1/2 of a cup of plain Greek yogurt. 1.5 cups of flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of oats, and 1/4 of a cup of walnuts. All right, I gotta scrape down the sides of this bowl here. All right. That's all there is to making the batter. All right, so I've got my muffin tin here lined with paper liners. And I know you don't have to spray them, but I always like to just give a little spray. And just going to fill up the muffin cups. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is make a crumb topping for these muffins. So I have 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar and 1/4 of a cup of oats. To that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix this together. And then I have 1 tablespoon of melted butter. All right, sprinkle a little bit of the topping on top of each muffin. So I ended up with 14 muffins. 2 have come over on this muffin tray all by themselves. Then you need to bake them in a 375-degree oven for 20 minutes. So check them out, banana oat muffins, perfect for breakfast. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.